Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to restore USB drive back to original full capacity size. To do this, just need to go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Check my video description for these commands. Just copy and paste it one by one. After pasting the list disk command, here are the drives listed using disk 01. The depends on the size you can find the drive. In my case, my USB drive is 60 GB. As you can see, the same size, 58 GB. And now the disk one is that drive, guys, USB drive. So in next command, you just need to change this 0 to the disk number. In my case, 1. And now copy and paste it and press done. And now the disk 1 is selected, USB disk is selected. And copy then paste the next command. It had cleaned up. And now copy and paste the next command. Copy and paste the next. And, just need to wait for this to get 100% complete. After diskbot successfully formatted the volume, just paste this last command to assign a letter automatically. After finishing all these commands, just to close stuff here. And now your original full capacity size will be shown. And don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.